show us up. It's always
Most people outside of Asia, outside of ASEAN, for example, look at this part of the world as a potential market. It is always a case of others wanting to come into the region. We appreciate that because there's so much here in terms of economic potential for trade, for doing business. But on the converse, we are also keen to see Europe opening up its market, Europe bringing down non-tariff barriers, Europe doing what's necessary to make the European market more open in the real sense of the word to countries of Asia and to ASEAN.
But we cannot afford to ignore other parts of the world in the same way that Europe cannot afford to ignore Asia. So it's logical that these two regions should get together to promote open regionalism.
We have to prevail upon the European Union that Asia, like many other countries elsewhere too, are not agreeable to the WTO being burdened with extraneous issues.
Oh, you are not. No, you are fasting.
Two of us are fasting.
We will have your share. Well,
EU, of course, they have their own common market. APEC, we are lowering tariff among ourselves. So it's different. But once we lower the tariff, we would like to do it on a most favored nation basis or non-discriminating basis. In that respect, we like to see that Europe also will reciprocate economic hospitality.